Hi guys, it's Bunny here with Jillian Vance Design, and I am going to let you know what you need to cut for the Wreath Craft A Long for the OOAK event that will be happening on December 5th. So you received the candle die and the circle stitched dot circle backdrop die. So with those, what you're going to want to do with this one, because we're going to be making several wreaths as time allows. And here's a pretty one too. If you have the holiday Scripty greeting set, you can cut those out as well, because you can put them across, make cute little ornament or a gift tag. This one, she added season's greetings up there. You can cut the candle out if you want to add the candle to this. Couldn't find it. So that it makes it look like that. It's so cute. But what you want to do is just cut an assortment of greens of the pine. And this one includes the holly. So cut some of that. Some of these we will be tearing apart because to add in some fullness. Cut several of the poinsettias, your color choice, and the centers, which is that little piece. You can cut the bow if you'd like. This is all about what you guys want yours to look like. This was a little bit of just glue it and some glitter dropped on. Then there are the centers in silver. This was a little want to scrap bling we added. So get your stickles out, get anything out that you want to add to these, because they're going to be made your own. So cut several of the pine, several of the holly, many of the poinsettia. You could add that bow, you could add a ribbon bow, you can do all sorts of things. But what I want to show you to get this frame, because on the back of that there's a frame. These all have a base, and how cute would these be on the front of a card? So you don't just have to use them for tags. So you take your stitch dot in and out circle, and I use the second largest and the next, so the second and third. You want to place them down on your paper, or just even on your craft table. And then take, this is Post-it note tape, or we have purple tape. And you want to tape them so that when you take this to your die cutting machine, after they're centered, so that that will cut your frame. Easy peasy. If you want to make a square one, you can do that. I have a square wreath on our front door, so it's kind of cool. But this is what you want to do. Just do that, run it right through your die cutting machine with your paper, and it will cut that frame. If you don't want to do it that way, you can cut the largest circle first and then center the smaller one into that. So we will see you on December 5th. We can't wait to see what you guys create, and we will have a time announced shortly. Thanks again, Bunny with Jillian Vance Design, and we'll see you on the 5th.